This message is brought to you by Apple Card. Earning daily cash back is simple. Use Apple Card right away with Apple Pay and earn up to 3% daily cash back on everyday purchases. Pretty straightforward, right? Check out the Apple Card Daily Cash Calculator to see how much daily cash you can earn. Visit apple.co/card.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Sound check, please. Let me know if you guys can hear me okay. Just a reminder, everybody, that tomorrow is the cash giveaway announcement. The winner is going to be selected tomorrow. So make sure you have an account with the link, my broker link in the description box, and you have your account funded, traded, all that good stuff, so you can be potentially selected for tomorrow. So just a heads up for that. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. We have CPI news in a couple minutes here, actually 1 minute. So we're going to wait for that to pass and see what happens there. I have no idea where it's going to go. It can shoot up, it can shoot down, no idea. So we're going to wait the 30 seconds to see. look at that. Wow. Wow. Look at those buys. Are we looking for buys yesterday, guys? We were looking for those buys yesterday. Just gonna let this pass, and then we can get the lights up, guys. That'd be great. If you guys can bring the lights up, that'd be great. I apologize, guys. I'm not feeling too well today. It's my lady time of the month, and it's kicking my butt right now. So this is gonna be a short live today because I really need to go lay down for a little bit. So we're gonna see if we can find a nice, clean setup today. Let the market settle after this push, after this news push, and then we'll see if we can make today a good day. Well, we finally broke out, guys. We finally broke out. We finally broke out of that range, and we are fly, 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 flying. Do, 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 do. Would love to see something very simple. Pull back, and we fly. That's it. That's all I want to see today. Give me some sort of a pullback, and let's go. Yep. Pull back right to around this area, maybe a little bit lower, and gone. That's all we're waiting for, guys. Pull back and a drop. Nothing more, nothing less. Guys, hope I feel better. Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
With Asana, AI teammates can pull.
Come on down, US30. That's all we're waiting for. See how simple trading can be, guys? No in-depth analysis. Very simple, very to the point. Looking for the exact same thing every day. Let this thing fly as high as it wants. Let that pullback come, and we're off and running. It's not hard at all. Pullbacks are your friend. Pullbacks are your friend. Pullbacks are your friends. You know what I mean? Let me see what gold is doing. Did gold do something crazy today? Oh, gold flew too. Look at that. Everything. Gold, bullish. US30, bullish. Looking good for the markets, huh? Looking good, looking good. Look at that. Beautiful. Got up out of this range, finally broke through. Off and running with them buys. Off and running with the buys. Look at gold. Fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. Gold. Fly, fly, fly. Guarantee you a lot of people jumped into this. A lot of people trade news. A lot of people trade news, no matter how many times they get smacked. But this is nice. I like that news follows structure. You know, look at this. This is lovely. This is what you want to see. This is heaven on earth right here. Look at this. Beautiful. Just, you can't ask for anything better. You really can't ask for anything better. News didn't do no herky-jerky nonsense. It just flew up. One direction, one move. Easy. Easy work. Cake work, cake work. Cakewalk, cake work. So, I like what I'm seeing. Moves like this are beautiful. And now it's just a waiting game. Now it's just a waiting game. just a waiting game at this point. Damn, what button was it again? It was a button. I forgot which one it was. No. Okay. It was shift. There we go. Shift button. So yeah, guys, just waiting on a pullback. Just waiting on a pullback. We got the fart button, guys. We got the fart button. We got the fart button. So any dumb questions, beware. You've been warned. You've been warned. I'm very tired today. Very tired. Ooh, very nice. Look at that. I'll take that. I'll take that. Yes, sir. Multiple streams of income, guys. That's where it's at. That is where it's at. Very nice. It's turning out to be a very nice month. You guys like the fart machine? Guys like the fart machine? Now, the reason why I don't look for sells, right, is because the market is so very bullish right now. It wouldn't be smart to look for sells. It's best to just follow the trend. Be patient. Just follow the trend. Even though I'm a scalper, counter trend trades are sometimes my bread and butter most of the time. It's early. We just started trading for the day. We can wait. We can be patient and we can wait and let the market come to us instead of us chasing the market. It's going to pull back. So we have market open in the next, 40 minutes or so. That's not too long to wait for a good move. Maybe the pullback will come at market open or it'll happen right before, and then market open will be the actual move that we need, the push that we need to grab our trade and ride that baby to the moon. So patience is a virtue, and yeah. Let's get the likes up, please, if that's okay. We're waiting for sales today. We have news like crazy. That fart sounds louder than the mic. I think the sound is low on your mic. It's not. I just have it very close to the mic. This is it right here. This is the speaker. It's pretty big. My mic is right here, so I have it very close to the mic. So those of you that have issues hearing me speak loudly on the mic, I believe it's on your end, because I listen to myself over here and it sounds just fine. So, yeah. Come on down, US30. Give us a nice pullback there, and all will be well in the world. it, check it. How many points did this fly? I'm just curious. Let's see. Wow, 300-point fly. 300 points. It's a lot of money. Whenever you guys see these candles, all you should be thinking is one thing. Is money. Money, 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 money. All these candles represent coins. Either in your pocket or out of your pocket. If you caught this move, it's coins in your pocket. If you missed the move, it's coins out of your pocket. If you took sells, it's definitely coins out of your pocket. So, you should see money and you should see opportunity. Space and opportunity. That's all you should see when you look at the charts. Opportunity. Opportunity to win or an opportunity to learn. One or the other. You never lose. You either win or you learn. That's it. Keep it simple, folks. Keep it simple. What is the talk with USA and China going? I have no idea. Please understand, folks, that I am not a fundamental trader. I'm a technical trader. So even though I can be privy to the news at times, I don't factor it into my trading too much. Everything I look at is technical. I base my chart analysis on what I see on the charts, not so much on what's happening in the news. I take it into account and I keep it in the back of my mind. However, I don't say, well, I'm going to take these buys and I'm going to add another confluence and say, Donald Trump said this morning, so yeah, gold should fly, US30 should dump. I don't trade like that. So, unfortunately, that's not my style. It's okay if it's yours, but it's not my style. So, yes, come on down. Come on down, US30. You are the next contestant on The Price is Right. Come on down. Same here, but we know that is a major fundamental, and that will surely affect the market once it drops. Okay, cool. You guys are quiet in the chat today. Usually when you guys are quiet, it's one of two reasons. It's one, some of y'all took a loss on a trade and you're kicking yourself. Or two, you're bored. You guys are bored. Okay, we're pulling back lovely here. Pulling back lovely. That's what you want to see. Have a plan for what you want to see before it happens. Have a plan for what you want to see before it happens. Before it happens. I love the fart. Scared the crap out of me. That's funny. Funny, funny, funny. What broker do I use? That's the broker that I use. That's the broker that I use. Y'all making me laugh this morning. This is fun. Fart noise is elite. It is for real. It was like $20 on Amazon too. It came with batteries and everything. Fart noise is elite. Making me want to fart now. Hilarious. Too funny. Oh, Lordy. Need to see if US30 is going to come down a little more. What I want to see, guys, is something like this. Doot, doot, doot. That. That's what I want to see. You don't want to enter on the first candle that you see coming down or first candle going up. You want to give it time to kind of ease its way in, you know? So be a little patient. A little patient. Because we don't know how far down this can come. We don't know if it's even going to come down. It could turn around and shoot up on us. You know, who knows? So. What I do know is this daily candle here looks lovely. It looks amazing. What I needed to do is to continue pushing up. Come down a little bit, play around, and then eventually start pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. And then we're off and running. What's on the schedule for tomorrow? We have PPI tomorrow at 8:30. So. We have PPI tomorrow, so we'll see. But I like that. I like this daily candle. Looks beautiful. Look at this daily candle compared to yesterday's. This one has a whole 8 hours left in it. Look at yesterday's daily candle. Don't they look like the same size? Almost the same, almost identical. Almost identical. So either way, this is not done yet, and it should continue up here. I don't see US30 selling off. I see it pumping up. We have to create a higher high. We barely broke this high. I need to see it push up a little more. Or a lot more, actually. We are a distance away We're about 1,000 points away from the next high. Lots of potential there. Okay, so we're coming down, little bounce action here. Need a little bounce action, and then we push up. Let's see here. Where would you say the entry for gold is? Are you guys looking for signals, guys? Oh, wow. Look at that pullback. Ooh. 830 push, and it didn't waste any time. Yo, why can't US30 do this? I need US30 to move like gold sometimes, man. Look at how sweet this pullback came right here. If you're looking for entries on gold, you're very close to it. Very close to it. It can come down to these lows, or it can even come down to these lows. I don't see it coming way down here though. That would be crazy if gold came way down back to this low here. But look at that drop. Wow, it came right back down. That pullback is not playing around. We're not playing no games here. We're still bullish though, even though we literally corrected this entire news push. We're still very much bullish. So, wow, look at that. All right, US30, it's on you now. Waiting on you, US30. Come on now, don't let me down. Now, if US30 just drops completely and, you know, corrects this entire news push, I wouldn't be surprised. But I'm still biased on the bias. I'm still biased on the bias. Yeah, let's go to the higher time frame. Let me see. I do have one position open. It is dropping on me here, but that's okay. I have one position open. I need the pullback to come. I thought this was going to start pushing, but it didn't. It started coming down. That's okay. I'm going to take more positions once it starts rejecting back up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, open in about what, 25 minutes or so, right around there. Curious what gold is doing right now. What's gold doing? I can't believe gold rejected like that. Came all the way back down like that fast too. I'm not surprised that it did that. I'm surprised it did it that fast. It wasted no time turning back around. Wow. Let's see what gold does here. Gold is not playing no hanky-panky today. Look at her go. Look at her go. Wanted this to 805 and then 830. It didn't even wick out. It just pushed all the way up. How many points did that push? Wow. Wow. Very nice move on gold. Very nice move on gold. US30, I need you to start pumping up for me here. If you would, that'd be great. Let me move this out the way. Yeah, we already have a nice long bottom wick on the daily. So this should not break. This should play around here and eventually push back up. Heavily bullish on US30. Today is going to be a good day, guys. Today is going to be a good day. I can already feel it. Taking gold buys. Lovely, 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 lovely. Yeah, the buys look excellent on gold. The buys look great on gold. Buys look really nice on gold.
Get ready for Universal Epic Universe featuring
You get the likes up, guys. I appreciate it. Looks like it wants to go now, Charlene. Yeah, once we break this high here, this high right that I have here, once we break that, we should be moving. I mean, it's moving now, but once it breaks that, it's a good chance it's going to continue up. So. Just an added confirmation, that's all. just a reminder, tomorrow is the last day of the stream for the week. We're going to be streaming Monday through Thursday and not Friday. So just keep that in mind so I don't get a ton of DMs on Friday. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? I know I'm going to get that. I'm not going to be here to drop the fart sound, so somebody make sure that they get that fart sound if they ask that question. Because that's also listed in the description box also. So, guys, take one for the team from me there. Copy that. You have time to recharge. Yeah, I mean, not only that, but you don't have to trade every day. Every day really shouldn't be a trading day, if you ask me. You know, you shouldn't trade every single day. You know, so if the factor in one day news, maybe one day of losses, you know, at least one day out the week, you want to kind of chill. You know, you don't want to have to trade every day. Can you trade every day? Yeah. Should you trade every day? Probably not. The market's not always going to give you your setups every day. The volume is not always going to be there every day. You know, you can't predict everything all the time. So there's nothing wrong with taking a day off. You're not missing out on nothing. Market will be there when you get back. So it's like work. Can you work 7 days a week? Yeah. Is it great? No. You want break. You want to relax for a day or two, you know? You take a day or two off from your job. Why not take a day or two off from trading? I know we're all addicted to that rush of making money, but you can take a day off. It's not that big a deal. Promise you the markets will be here when you get back. Promise you. Darn it. About to lose this round again. Anybody else addicted to Block Blast? I play this game incessantly. Kills a lot of time when you're bored. Hey, my first time here. Do you also look at the 1 minute chart? Yes, on occasion. Have you been to Epic Universe yet? No, I have not. No. I have not. Will you ever bring the Lambo to Supercar Saturdays? Sure, why not? Why not? I haven't been to one in a while. When was the last time I went to Supercar Saturdays? It's been a minute since I've been to Supercar Saturdays. But would I do it? Sure. Why not? It just be so damn hot out there. Florida is hot, let me tell you. It is so hot. And being out there sometimes, I'm not a fan of sweating profusely when I don't have to. It's very hot. So, it's probably why I haven't been in a while. So damn hot out there. But it's cool though. Oh, love it. Look at that. Come on. Look at that. Oh. Whoever's in gold. Whoever's in gold. Good stuff. Yes, sir. Oh, gold is a lot more fun to watch right now. Let's watch gold. Hanko is not working in my country. Sorry. Gold makes no sense 90% of the time. What's that block blast high score? It's 31,540 points. That's my highest score. I've been trying to break it for the last like 2 months now. And the closest I've gotten to that is, I think, 15,000. So, yeah, my high score is 31,540 points. Play this damn thing all the time. Doesn't want to give me a break to make me break that high score. Gold is so hard to trade to me. It takes time. It takes time. It's not an easy pair at all. It's not an easy pair at all. But can it be traded? Yes, it just takes time. It just takes a little bit more studying, a little bit more experience. That's all. You'll get there. What made you switch to US30? Any difference from gold? I think I find it easier to trade, and I make more money. I make more money on US30 than I did on gold. It's easier to trade for me on US30. US30 just moves differently, but to me it just moves better. Moves better. That's all. I like it. I like it. If we can get the likes up, guys, that'd be great. Really appreciate it. Yes, 30. Give me some bounce action here. Form me a little support down here in this little zone down here, which is good. Give me a little bouncy, and then do that. And all will be well in the world. Know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? We are lingering up here, which is a good thing. If we would have just dropped, then it's okay. We would have just dropped. But the fact that we're lingering here for a little bit, it's a good thing. Because maybe at 9:30 in the next 7 minutes, when market opens, opening bell, we can get a nice push on up. And that will be that for the day. But I'm biased on the buys. This is just a pullback here. We're creating another leg. Boop, boop, bow. Boom, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. That's what I want to see on US30 today. Bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. In the words of Kendrick. It's the Kendrick. Bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. Waiting on a reversal candle. Let it do its thing. US30 likes to play games before it does what it needs to do. So I'm not worried about it at all. is not the original playlist that I always play, but for some reason the other one that I usually play, or I used to play, hit me with a copyright on Monday. So I don't know why that happened, but I can't use it anymore. So now I have to use this one. So yeah, that kind of sucks. I'm not a fan. But we make do with what we can. That's all. That's all we can do. Does US30 follow ES or the other way around? I noticed they moved it. It's the same pair. It's the same pair. It's the exact same pair. How to you see confirmation for US30 on which time frame? It's a bit more in depth than that. 9:30 is mini news, yeah. A little bit, yeah. Gold is like my ex-girlfriend. Don't want to play anywhere next to it. That's funny. Yeah. Opening bell in 3 minutes. 2.5 minutes. Have you ever been caught up in massive losses while in a trade due to fundamentals, geopolitical tensions? I'm just gonna say yes, I've taken massive losses before. I mean, it's for different reasons, nothing, specific. It's just part of the learning curve, that's all. Embrace losses, guys. It's part of life. It's not just part of trading, it's part of life. So. Oh my goodness, lost again. And I know how to skip commercials too. I can play and play and lose and lose and lose and keep on skipping commercials. Or should I say ads? Keep skipping ads. Bow. Market open in T minus 20 seconds. Let's go. Let me get a nice little push. US30. Nice push on up. And I could call it a good day and go lay down. That'd be nice. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, opening bell is quiet. Not much movement on opening bell here. Ooh. Going down, we're going up. We're going down? Well, we're going down for now. I need to see some bullish structure start forming here. Can I see some bullish structure, US30? That'd be nice. I know you want to pull back a little bit here. That's fine. But give me some bullish structure, please. Ooh, gold. Pulling back on us on gold? Gold is pulling back, guys. We have, where was it? Right here. Still bullish. Gotta love the pullbacks, guys. Got to love the pullbacks on these things. Wow, we broke. We broke. Okay. Just need you to start rejecting for me. We broke. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. This music is boring. I have to rewind it. Lovely rejection. Lovely. Flip bullish on me and let's go. Let's go. Oops, forgot to look at the chat for a second. Which time frame do you use most for confirmation of entry? 5 minute, 15 minute. Still holding buys? Yes, I am. I took more positions. Nice buy setup on 30. Yes, it pulled back further than I thought it was going to, but that's okay. That's quite all right. I thought it was going to pull back a little bit. It pulled back all the way. Similar to gold, it just took longer, but that's okay. I still see buys on gold. So I am holding buys, and I took more positions down here also. So And that's the thing too. Sometimes you get kind of like tunnel vision when you're trading. You shouldn't, but it's hard not to, because you kind of have to lean towards one side heavier than another based on your analysis. So it's like my bias was buys. Yeah, I was waiting on a pullback. I waited. We wanted to see the pullback. The pullback came a lot deeper than I thought it was going to come. However, my bias was always buys. So I'm still, even though it's dropping, still thinking buys, still looking at buys. I'm not even thinking about sells right now at all. So sometimes you don't want to be so heavily one-sided to one bias, but how can you not be? You know, because either you got to pick a side. You can't be wishy-washy, you know. So it is what it is. But it's always a good day. Because why? We see opportunity to win or to learn. That's it. To win or to learn. Simple as that. Why do I feel like I keep hearing the same song over and over again? I feel like I keep hearing the same song over and over. Or is that just me? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Let's go. Nice. 9,600. Let's go. Is support and resistance the strategy that you trade? It's part of it. It's part of it. What's your next 3 to 5 year life goals? Where do I start? A lot of those. Chill day, guys. Chill day. I gotta go take another aspirin soon. Just pain is kicking my butt right now. Goal set. I've been doing a lot of heavy lifting. I'm taking a break right now. think you can make it in the industry while you don't back testing only, forward testing on US30 only? It's a very odd question. Oh my God. Yes, I know I've heard this song already. They keep on playing this thing over and over again. Alright, I gotta find another playlist today. That's my homework for the day. Find another playlist. See if we can get the likes up, guys. I know today's a boring ass day, but I'd appreciate it. Would you ever consider getting a convertible living in Miami? No. Convertibles are nice, but as a joyride, yeah, but to own one, no. My chart looks way different. Why? Maybe you trade differently, and that's totally okay. Our charts don't have to look alike. Maybe you just trade differently, and there's nothing wrong with that. Your charts don't have to look exactly like somebody else's. It's quite alright to have a different looking chart. I will say this though. If and when this pushes up, it's going to be epic because this move here, if you guys notice, right, the market repeats itself over and over and over again. We keep on creating, let me see if I can find another example of it. We keep on creating newfound zones. So we have a zone here, right? You have price that kind of bounced on this zone. And we have another zone here, right? If I draw from there to there, and you have another zone, and you have from there to there, and then you have another zone. And if this pushes up higher, let's say we get a push up here, like this. You have a zone there, and then you have a push from there to there, which would be crazy work. This bullish momentum here is everything. It's everything. It's everything. I would like to see that break and push up, because that push down, this push down was probably just a retracement of this big move here. And now the retracement is completed, and now we are pushing up to maybe even create all-time highs. Who knows? Create some more all-time highs. That would be lovely. It would be lovely. I'll say that for sure. It would be lovely. Now let's see something here. Yeah, this daily candle needed to push up some and push up. Maybe close somewhere up here today. That'd be awesome. If we can get this daily candle to close up here, or maybe even higher. Cake. Cake, 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 cake. Get some nice volume, maybe around 10, 30, 11. Oh. Hey Charlene, I thank you for this kind of live sessions because they are really serving a big game changer to our own trading game, to mention the calmness you approach the markets with, the patience. Appreciate it. Being on these lives forced me to be patient, forced me to be very disciplined, because when you're trading by yourself, it's a completely different ball game compared to trading in front of a lot of people who are, you know, expecting you to be right, expecting you to win, this and that. So you gotta, when you're on your own and just practicing by yourself, you can do whatever you want. You could take trick shots, you could throw balls behind your back, you could do backflips, you could lay down and take a nap. You could do whatever you want when you're by yourself. But when you're performing in front of an arena of 50,000 people watching you, cheering you, wanting you to score every basket and hit every ball, and you know, you got to be your best. So it's a mental toughness that you have to have. So these lives help me just as much as they help you guys, believe it or not. You know what I mean? So we're in this together. We're on this journey together. We're on this journey together. You got my back, I got yours. You got my back, I got yours. That's all I gotta say. So do you have a Discord? I do not. No. I only have Telegram. I have a thing about Discord. I don't know. I don't really like Discord much. I don't know why. I just don't care for it much. I don't know. Too many rooms and tabs, and I like to keep things simple. When you complicate stuff, it turns me off. It's like a turn off for me when you complicate things. If you keep things simple and straight to the point, you got my attention. And sometimes I feel like Discord is a bit much. I don't know. I might get it one day. Who knows? I might bend the curve a little bit. Who knows? Thank you, Zoe. I appreciate that. I'll give that a try. Sounds good. I actually did a lot of that when I was on my 7-day fast, so I'm pretty familiar. Not those exact ingredients, but I did a lot of mixing, you know, veggies and stuff. So thank you for that. I don't like Discord either. Format is too messy, too many places to click. I know, right? I am new to this and try to watch a lot of trading videos. I noticed that you don't use EMA lines like most. Is there a reason why? It's just preference. I don't need them. You use what you think you might need. That's all. I don't need them, so I'm good there. I don't think I need them, so I'm good. Moving up in the world. Moving up in the world. Probably gonna wrap up the live around 10:30, so in another 30 minutes or so. So I can go rest a little. And we can get ready for tomorrow's live. Hit my stop loss on gold, which is cool. Live to trade another day. Sorry to hear that, man. What happened on gold? Gold doing funny business or what? Gold is doing funny business right now. Gold, what are we doing here? You pushed up, you pushed down nicely. You're supposed to push back up, and now you're playing hanky-panky here with people's accounts. What you doing, gold? What you doing right now? What we got going on, gold? See why I'm a scalper, guys? Holding these moves sometimes be suicide. These moves be tripping sometimes, let me tell you. And you get your money and go, it's a good day. It's a good day. 1 in the hand is always better than 2 in the bush. 1 in the hand is always better than 2 in the bush. Always, always, always. I know your accounts are not as big, your risk is not there, you guys want to hold moves, but trust me, it doesn't take a lot to make a lot. We all started at $100, $200, $300 days to get to where we are now. It just takes time, but if you're patient and you appreciate the value of $1, you will come to see that it is quite a lot of money, especially when you're sitting in the comfort of your home doing it. When you're at the, your own freedoms to do it on your own. You don't gotta ask nobody for nothing. You get to do it on your own, and you didn't have to put in no overtime. You have to do none of that shit. All on you. It's good stuff. And for those of you wondering, am I holding this entire move? You guys should already know the answer to that question. I really want this high to get broken here. 42,900, 42,953. Can you break that for me? Can you break that for me and push up just a little bit, and I'll be good there. I'll be happy with that. I will be Gucci with that. I don't even need all this up here. I don't need all that. Would it be nice? Yeah, but do I need it? Nah. Nah. $21. Can you do something for me? I will hold to that high. Good stuff. Good for you. I love my family, man. My uncle's so funny. Sending me funny pictures of him at work. It's funny. And I was just about to do something, I forgot what it was. I hate it when I lose my train of thought like that. What the heck was I about to do? I was just about to do something. What was I about to do? Freaking forgot what I was about to do. God darn it. Made my money and left. That's what I'm talking about. Is Charlene in buys? Yes, I am. Still holding. I'm still holding. I took profit on the positions that I took down here. I'm holding these right now to see if it'll push up a little higher. I need those to come out of drawdown. I took profit on those, and now I'm sitting in these waiting for it to push up a little more for me. So I think we started at 15 and change on the week. Now we're up 26. I need this to push up, and then all will be well in the world. Don't fart me. That's funny. Yasir, I'm so glad you're doing so well. Yasir got my one-on-one class, and we did 2 days of intensive training, and Mr. Yasir is seeing all wins now, which I love to see. I love to see. I love to see it, let me tell you. So congratulations, Yasir, you're doing great. Keep up the great work. Keep it up. That was $2,000 well spent. Pretty sure you made that back already. Appreciate you, my guy. I'm glad you're back, Charlene. I'm glad you're watching. Thank you. Too late for an entry? Well, let's talk about it. Where price is currently, right? So price pulled back down to this area of support here, where it kind of formed an area here. We pushed up, we rejected it, we came up, we started making bullish structure here. This is pulling back. The reason why price is struggling where it is now is because it's at a daily resistance. We do need to break that daily resistance in order for price to push up. Lately, like, it's only Wednesday, but that throughout this week so far, like yesterday and Monday, we've had more volume coming in later in the session than sooner. So let's say like 10:30, 10:45, 11, 12 even. we may get a little push, a little volume to take us where we need to go. Or price could just do what it's been doing, which is what? Ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. It could just still keep doing that. This push here was just news. It was just news. I'm anticipating we're going to continue pushing up, but that's just my analysis. I could be wrong. We could come back down. We could consolidate and start playing around. Who knows what US30 wants to do. But for the most part, can you enter here? Nah, I wouldn't enter here. It's very high, because if you do enter, it's like where do you put your stop loss now? Because the only area for a safe stop is down in this area, and you're very far from that area right now. So if you didn't get entries around here, I mean, unless you get in and put your stop tight, I would say if you got in around here and you put your stops like right under here, right up under these wicks here, you could. That could work as well. But it's just risky. If I was to get in, I'd say wait until price breaks the daily high and then jump in there and then ride the wave on up and then put your stops below the daily low, below the daily high, and just, you know, ride the wave there. You know, that's what I would do. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Break bullish, then fly, 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 fly. In the words of Hannibal Lecter, fly, fly, fly. Charlene, why did you take a long hiatus? We missed you. Because I needed a break. That's all. Just needed a break. That's all. have to end the live, guys, because I'm in a little bit of pain and discomfort right now. I need to go lay down, put a hot rag on my stomach or something. So this is my analysis for I keep saying gold for some reason. For US30. Jeez Louise. This is my analysis for US30, guys. I see buys. We need to remain above the daily high for price to remain. We've been rejecting it for a while now. The good thing is it's already formed a bottom wick, and the body is still kind of moving around right now. So hopefully the body can break the high of its own high, or the previous high of this one, and then continue to push up. But if not, and we continue to struggle around, you see how price keeps struggling, it may find its way on back down. So just manage your risk while you're in here. Manage the trade as best you can. Other than that, that's it. That's all I got today. It was a good day. Today was a good day. Price pushed down deeper than I expected it to, but we expected the pullback. It just came down a little bit deeper. Took some positions, took some down here, was able to close out with some profit, and now we're waiting on these to push up to see what it wants to do. But other than that, today was a decent day. CPI was CPI, like it always is. Tomorrow we have PPI news, and then and the giveaway as well. The cash giveaway is going to be announced tomorrow on tomorrow's live, so make sure you guys are here for that. Make sure you get an account with my broker, sign up with my link, and make sure you are on the live tomorrow so you can give your account number so I can go ahead and congratulate somebody on a nice win for tomorrow. And that'll be our week going forward. All right, guys, so I appreciate you all for being on today's live. Thank you guys for tolerating me like you have. Thank you guys for coming back and joining me. Appreciate the likes, appreciate the comments, the good conversations. You guys are the best. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Those of you that won today, congratulations. And those of you that didn't, I hope you learned something. All right. Y'all be good, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Same time, same place, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. As always, it's your favorite female trader, Charlene FX. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.